After the research hall, you will notice that a long pool of grey stuff that poison in your. You are in the middle of the room, a very large staircase in the middle of that pool. You will explore the ground area first. First, we go up. Before we go up the stair, there was some item that we can pick up. First of all, to let you will find the scary beast. Kill for. To the left, you will find a squirming beast. Kill it for 2 stone chalk. Now if you look at the right, you will see a brain pattern. Look in something. Okay, ignore him for now. He won't attack, because if you pass him, there is another screwing beast. Okay, don't be afraid rushing. Okay, go back to the Tessin. You will find the crops. Okay, guiding. 睇下先，我而家喺嗰邊啊。Search elevator 啦。elevator. Talk to elderly, who is the patient. Okay. On the right side, and then go back up to the elevator. Back to the laboratory 3. Go down in the open floor using the ladder. You will in the laboratory 2 now. Okay. The new kind of brain pattern enemy will crawl on all floors. This enemy can jump in the air and lurch at you. Be careful. Okay. One down the garden. You can jump down from the balcony above the second one. You can jump from the balcony above the second one to defeat it. And the first will not attack you. Go ahead and do that and deal with another. Turn around and pick the decorated crab and the okay. Then open the door to the left. You will find another brain pattern or kill it, and then pick up the frozen cold blood of the crop. Turn around and walk all the way down right. You can enter a balcony and find a brain pattern that is passive if you want to hear it say. Although it's not much beside, there isn't anything else you can do on the side floor. The next thing we will go to explore the patient floor to head up the ladder, back down to the elevator, and from the room. Once you at the patient room floor 2, go left in the corridor until you arrow the brain pattern who is crouching. After prepare to deal with 2 patterns because one of them is hidden behind the bookcase. Okay. Try them. Okay. Don't worry. These are although a couple of brain patterns look very uncomfortable will be on the bed. There is a ladder in this room and brain pattern. So you wish to take this path, you can, but you won't be able to collect all the items in the floor because of this. We'll go to the back of the cell. So leave this dark room and go back to the okay. Inside you will see a brain pattern in sort of a disoriented, but pay him no mind for now. There's 3 patterns on the balcony. 係啊，講到呢度 OK. Go under the balcony and you will find the 2 patterns and end up with arrow on you from a distance. One of which will throw the same bottle. Deal with them, and when you do, you will find a 6 brain pattern walking down the stairs and leaving the room. Although they will eventually come back if you wait too long. Okay. In the room above the ladder, in the room above you has a large brain pattern that uses a large pole as a weapon. He hit hard. He hit many times, but his ring is quite small. Consider the room size. You can easily back off and just parry him twice to defeat him. Pick a 5-foot wall in the room and head into the area. The room to the right come from the ladder earlier, the dark room. Go to the stair and open the door. You will patient for number 4. OK， 原來喺嗰個位上。 嚟。喂頂！喂！頂！原來就喺嗰個大隻佬嗰個位上。嗰個大隻佬嘅位上。進化，戰鬥再進化，勝利無輸吧。咁咪即係去打大隻佬就得啦。高大隻佬。打！血瓶，哇好啊，太好啦，有血瓶汁。Come on， 你唔記得開火添。幫！我頂！爆炸！戰鬥爆炸，戰鬥再爆炸。入嚟，上去。做乜嘢？哦，又係嗰個大隻佬，攞住支棍仔嘅大隻佬。食咗先。我哋咁都打到嘅。食屎啊你！食屎啊你！食屎啊你！食屎啊你！搞掂。哦，原來喺呢度上去。唉，唔怪得知一直都揾唔到路啦。到站啦。讀下先，閱讀資料下先。病房4樓。執嘢。解讀。哇！你睇下嗰隻嘢，不懷好意嗰隻嘢，簡直就係。好想去打佢喎。我頂！我頂！我頂！哇！嚼！食嘢。唔好啊！搞掂。濕氣紅寶石，水銀子彈，開返道門先，唔係開返盞燈先，真係好鬼驚啊！真係污穢嘅濕氣紅寶石。哦，呢度係落返嚟。好啊，做得好。啊，有把機關槍真係唔錯，可以掃死佢哋。爆炸！爆炸！佢射咩啊？佢射唔射得死啊？射死咗，呵，射死咗。 搞掂，一嘢波變咗。執嘢先去。我頂！好狗啊！嗰啲呢啲咁嘅機關真係實在太狗啦！踢到啫嘛！哇，冇頭嘅呢隻嘢，咁鬼恐怖嘅！我頂！係咪機關嚟㗎呢個？係喎，機關嚟㗎真係。哦，原來呢一凸起嘅機關，唔怪之成日中啦。呢個係咩㗎？病房5樓，感覺又係一個大伏嚟嘅。冇事，咦？冇事喎，神奇地冇事。我頂，喐嘅3隻，咦？執嘢先。狂人嘅知識，冇嘢攞。啊！淨係得腦，淨係得個頭嘅，勁爆核突！哇！仲有一隻落嚟。我頂！哇頂！係咁發啲手出嚟，哇就死啦！食藥，黑 Q 屎，冇啦冇晒啦！藍色靈藥，多謝。脹大嘅頭腦啊！好。呢度就行完啦，係咪咧？應該係得一個房啫嘛。好啦，咁可以行返轉頭啦。呢度有個病房可以行入去。開門先，安全。